Hi, today we'll be reviewing the LaCie DJI Copilot. Let's get started. The DJI Copilot is LaCie's first external hard drive combining mobile storage with the ability to offload camera media without being tethered to a computer. The Copilot is designed to reduce the weight of carrying your laptop to upload photos, as the size is equivalent to an external hard drive. The Copilot can store up to 2 terabytes of storage, which is equivalent to 60 hours of footage. The ports featured are an SD card slot, one USB-C, and one USB-A port. With the included cables, users can offload contents of any mobile device or USB-C enabled laptop to the Copilot with ease. Users also have the ability to plug in memory sticks, SD card readers, or hard drives into the Copilot as well for added functionality. In addition, you can also sync external CF card readers directly to the Copilot. The battery life also reached beyond my expectations, easily lasting me a week without having to recharge, thanks to its automatic power reserve feature when not in use. To use the Copilot, insert your SD card from your camera and turn on the Copilot by pressing the action button located on the rubber exterior. It will prompt you on the screen projection if you would like to copy the contents of the card into the Copilot. Simple as that. You can access your photos or videos with the official Copilot app, where you can download, view, and share what you've stored. I found the overall process to be straightforward with no hiccups in uploading. The app is easy to use and well designed, making the overall experience with the Copilot and mobile device effortless and with barely any learning curve. Ultimately, this changes the way photographers and content creators back up their work into an even more compact and mobile setup. With the seamless integration with the app and smartphone, this is LaCie's answer to a modern-day hard drive. The LaCie DJI Copilot is available now and can be purchased on brandswalk.com. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to see a specific product reviewed for future content, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.